In the ending moments of 2021, the James Webb Telescope was launched to further explore the final frontier. James Webb was the successor of the Hubble telescope, and its launch marks a revolutionary step in our knowledge of space. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the James Webb Telescope and what it has discovered since its launch. So, let us begin. The James Webb Space Telescope, often known as JWST or Webb, is NASA's most powerful and biggest space scientific telescope. It is a renowned observatory with a huge infrared telescope with a primary mirror of roughly 6.5 meters. Webb will investigate every stage of our universe's evolution, from the first brilliant glows after the Big Bang through the birth of solar systems capable of supporting life on planets like Earth, as well as our own solar system's evolution. It will expand on the findings made by the Hubble Space Telescope. Webb was launched from Europe's spaceport in French Guiana on the northeastern coast of South America on December 25, 2021, aboard an Ariane 5 rocket. The Ariane 5 was built by the European Space Agency, ESA. The Webb team completed the final stage of all major spacecraft deployments to prepare for science operations on January 8, 2022, when the telescope's 21-foot, gold-coated primary mirror was fully deployed. This was the first time that a NASA-led mission had attempted to complete such a complex maneuver in outer space, and it marked a huge feat for NASA and humanity. Webb's thrusters were fired on January 24, 2022, and the Space Telescope was placed into orbit around the Sun at the second Lagrange point, or L2, its eventual destination, approximately 1 million miles from Earth. Webb's position will provide it with a vast view of the universe while also keeping the telescope's optics and research components cool enough to function and perform optimally. Now that everything was set, NASA waited eagerly to receive the first pictures from its pet project, and this came to the fore in March. On Wednesday, March 16, 2021, NASA published the first image obtained by the JWST, which was a test shot and not part of scientific research, to see the Space Telescope's 18 hexagonal yellow mirrors synchronized into collaboration. According to the Space Agency's official website, the test demonstrates what this powerful piece of equipment can achieve when targeted towards a star around 1 million miles away from Earth. Scientists were overjoyed when they finally saw Webb's test photographs, which captured the light of a star 2,000 light years distant that was 100 times fainter than our eyes can perceive. The image was made using the James Webb Space Telescope's mirrors, which were paired with filters that colored the distant star's light into a red, spiky form. The foreground, however, was not the image's highlight. Thousands of distant galaxies lurked strangely behind the spiky star, revealing Webb's untapped potential. These faraway galaxies are ancient, many billions of years old. But this is only a taste of Webb's capabilities, which are expected to extend as far as a couple 100 million years after the Big Bang, according to experts. However, these were just test images. The real reality-shattering photos are expected to come around the summers. The Webb telescope will allow us to look inside stellar nebulae, and this will enable them to capture protoplanet and protostar formations. The JWST will allow us to see what the first galaxies and stars looked like. The universe's initial few 100 million years are shrouded in mystery. Our hypotheses of how the earliest stars and galaxies originated when dark matter halos condensed lack observable data to either validate or refute them. This is due to the fact that the early universe is only visible in the infrared, necessitating the employment of a telescope the size of the JWST to picture it. We will be able to answer questions about how the earliest stars and galaxies evolved in the universe using data obtained from these observations, which will have major consequences for our cosmological theories, particularly addressing the great enigma of dark matter. Additionally, we might even be able to look inside black holes. Amazing, right? Well, as of now, the James Webb is currently cooling down until it reaches its operating temperature of minus 369.4 degrees Fahrenheit. The mid-infrared instrument, MIRI, one of the telescope's 4 instruments, requires the assistance of a specialized cryocooler to reach an even lower temperature of minus 447 degrees Fahrenheit, barely 12 degrees Fahrenheit above absolute zero, the point at which atoms cease moving. So, we will have to wait a little longer for those images. So, that is all the time we had today, folks. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell icon to remain updated about all our future videos. See you all next time.